Hi guys, this is Katie and my cake number 7 out of 10 in my chocolate cake challenge. Today I'm making a super moist, rich and absolutely delicious chocolate Swiss roll, just like the one from our childhood. It's quick, easy and made with simple everyday ingredients. If you love the video, leave a comment to support my channel. Okay, let's kick things off with the dry squad. Flour, cocoa, cornstarch and just a pinch of salt. Like you're sure you even hear pinch. Sift it all through, no shortcuts please, unless you are into surprise cocoa clumps. Then grab a whisk and mix it all together, so everything is plain nice. It's like a little dry ingredient party in there, and everyone's invited. Now grab 4 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Carefully, one by one. No eggshell drama today, okay? This isn't a scramble, it's a masterpiece in progress. Pour in the sugar, and now it's bath time. Place the bowl over a warm water bath and start whisking, like your weekend depends on it. The gentle heat helps the eggs whip up fluffier and faster. After about 10 minutes of whipping, it'll go pale, thick and creamy. If your arm starts shaking, congrats, that's the sign of greatness. Or a good mixer. Either way, keep going. The volume we are building here is key to the sponge. Okay, breathe and break. Now it's time to combine the egg magic with our dry mix. Slowly fold it in with a spatula. Don't stir like you're chasing bubbles. Be gentle. Fold in parts, not all at once. Think of it like tucking a baby into a chocolate blanket. Soft hands, big love, and don't panic if it looks too airy. That's the point. We are building fluff here. Once the batter is all cozy and well combined, pour it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. The good kind, not that wrinkled sheet you've used 5 times before. Tilt the bowl slowly and let the batter slide out like a lava flow of chocolate dreams. Then grab your spatula and guide it to every corner. Don't rush. You want the layer thin and level, so it bakes evenly and rolls up without cracking later. If the middle's thicker than the edges, fix it now, or pay in crumbs later. And when you're done, give the tray a little wiggle to settle any bubbles. That's it. You just prepare the stage for a sponge roll to remember. Now into the oven it goes. Just 15 minutes. That's barely enough time for a coffee break. It will puff up, smell like heaven, and come out springy and fluffy like a chocolate cloud. Take the tray out of the oven. Carefully, it should still be warm and soft. Don't wait too long. We need to shape it while it's still flexible. Now place another sheet of parchment paper right on top, followed by a clean kitchen towel. Go slow, the cake's still hot and delicate. Once it's done, flip the cake gently onto a new piece of parchment. Use the bottom one like a little handle and very carefully peel the old parchment off. If it hides back, just breathe. Slow and steady wins the cake. Use a clean kitchen towel underneath for support. We are not wrestling, we are cradling. While it's still warm and flexible, gently roll the sponge up with the help of the parchment and towel. This part is all about training. You are teaching the cake how to be a roll, slow and gentle. Let it sit like that for a few minutes to cool down and lock in its new shape. While the roll is cooling off, get the chocolate. Break out a bar and start chopping like you're prepping for the final round of a dessert showdown. Precise cuts, serious face, we're about to make a ganache magic. Toss all those creamy chocolate shards into a glass bowl. These little crumbs are about to level up into something legendary. Now pour in your warm cream, not boiling as we are not making lava here, just silky ganache dreams. Let it sit for a few seconds and watch the magic start. The chocolate softens, melts, and swirls into something shiny and rich. Then stir it gently. You'll know it's ready when it looks like liquid velvet. Time to unroll the sponge carefully. You'll see those satisfying little ridges where it curled up, still soft, warm, and perfect, like a cozy chocolate blanket. Pour some of your ganache over the cake and spread it evenly, edge to edge. Don't skimp on the corners. No one wants a slice that got left out. Use your spatula or brush, glide it across the surface, and admire how glossy it gets. Take your time. This part isn't just baking, it's therapy with benefits. And look at it. Rich, shiny, smooth. Honestly, it's already a 10 out of 10 just on looks alone. Time to roll it back up. Carefully now. Take it slow and steady, using the parchment to gently guide the sponge into a smooth, even spiral. Don't press too hard. We are shaping, not squeezing. It should feel soft but secure, like wrapping up a cozy little chocolate blanket. And just like that, we've got a beautiful Swiss roll taking shape. Trim off the ends to give the roll a clean, even look. Neat edges make all the difference when you want a perfect finish. Now for the grand finale, pour the rest of the dreamy ganache all over the top. Go slow. Let it drip, glide, and coat every curve of the roll. This is not just decorating, it's a full-on dessert moment. Take your spatula and spread it gently, smoothing out every edge like you are wrapping it in a chocolate silk robe. Tilt your head, admire the shine. Drizzle a few thin lines of ganache across the top. Neat or messy, it's all part of the charm. Just go with the flow and let your inner artist take over. Now it's time to slice it. Go slow and take a look at that swirl. Soft sponge, rich ganache, all rolled up just right. It looks amazing, and trust me, it tastes even better. Take a bite, soft, rich, and full of flavor. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments or tag me. And don't forget to subscribe for more sweet recipes like this.